Hello people, welcome back to this thing that is my channel. Today we're going to be playing a little horror game called Ice Scream. It is about a guy who runs a ice cream van, and he's really creepy, steals your friend. So I thought I'd do it. And yes, I'm in my living room today. I was going to go set it up on my computer, but sadly my computer does not support the software to put the game on my phone or my computer. So I'm going to have to have a look at that and do that for me. So let's jump right into it, shall we? Let's play. Okay, the rules. Rod walks at normal speed. Rod hears the noises. You have 3 attempts. Ooh, okay. Let's not play a tutorial. Let's just go. This is probably what's gonna put me right in the tutorial now, isn't it? Hey, take a look around by sliding finger on the screen. Okay, so it's like one of those normal. Okay, let's have a look at his room. Okay, so there's a little pumpkin in the background. I love that. It's got a poster, book, got an action figure. Let's look out the window. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's obviously had a Halloween update, it's got the sweets. Did have that in the video I watched.
Oh, hello. Don't you want to try my delicious ice cream?
Oh shit! Oh my god, no way. He saw me!
Here, you little bastard.
The fuck? Okay, the bad boy needs your help. Find a rope. I've got rope in. Why have I got rope in the drawer? Am I a weird person? Okay, how do I walk? Oh, this thing. Okay. I don't like these controls already. No. Is it this one? I just clicked that one. Is it the next one? No. It's the middle drawer, isn't it? I'm trying to move, like, enough. What? Why have I not got... Where's my rope? Is it in this drawer? Quick, before my friend dies. What the fuck is it? It's gonna be on this side, isn't it? Ah! I do not like these controls. Okay, so let's do that. No. Fuck's sake. No. Okay, there we go. Oh, cool, rope. Alright, you have it. Now place it in the window. Why can't we just leave? Why can't we just go out the door? I guess our parents wouldn't let us leave. I don't like these controls. I should change my sensitivity. Okay. You can now interact with the window to exit. Oh, Oh, cool. Be careful, you should not be seen or you will get into trouble. Find a place to hide. Well, let's go behind the doghouse. Okay, you can watch. Oh!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump flubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Oh, we dropped something. So I've got to go get that now, I think. What the fuck? Now press the button to exit the hiding place. Ice cream has dropped a map. Okay, go. Go get the map. I gotta be quick. I'm not very quick. Okay, run away. Run away again. Go, 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 go. No, don't go that way. This way. There we go. Hide. Oh, I've got to go to the van. Ah! Hide. Oh, I saw him walking. Oh, that's so creepy. He's so creepy. He's so creepy. I don't like it. Can I leave? I don't want to go. Oh my god, these fucking controls, man. Oh, he's over there. Ah! I'm stuck. Don't move. No! Don't get me! No! Fuck these controls! I hate you! Ah! Don't get me! What the fuck are these controls? I don't like the control. Oh, I just had a heart attack. I don't like it. I hate horror games. So I've got to do that again, I think. Oh, for fuck's sake. Go slowly. No. Okay. Hiding place. Go. Oh, he's right there. Oh, he's found me. Ah, he's found me. He's found me. He's found me. Has he found me? I'm terrified. I'm so scared. I've got like shivers and I'm wearing my fluffy robe.
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump flubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Why is it kind of catchy? Oh my god, I wanna hide forever. Hide forever. I just realised how much recording time I have on my phone. I don't think it's enough. Oh, out I go. Ah! Don't get me! I am such a fucking wimp. I've watched a few people play a little bit of this already, and they've gotten further than I have in the first, like, 5 minutes. I'm just a wimp when it comes to games. Like, when I played Granny, I was such a wimp. I couldn't get past the first bit. Can I, like, move around? Ah, look at me! No! 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 You cannot have me! I will not be your ice cream! Get in the van, get in the van. I can't! I thought I already had the map! I already had the map! I gotta wait for him to drop it again. Is he gonna drop it again? Okay, he's right there. I can't exactly leave. Like, I can't exactly just leave. Oh, why? Oh, this is like, it said in the beginning 3 attempts. And I'm barely past the first bit and I've already died twice. I kind of want to see what happens when I get caught the 3rd time. I'm going to do that and then I'm actually going to play it properly. I'm going to stop being such a fucking wimp. Fuck it, get me. I'm coming towards you. I'm here. Get me. I want to see what happens. It's kind of creepy. Oh, no, nothing happens. I think it's like if I get further in, then it's like 3 attempts. Alright. So I know where the map is. It's still on the floor. That's why I fucked up when I finally got into the van. Okay. Let's actually get into it. Oh, I've got a cold. It is very cold in my flat. That's why I'm wearing my robe. Oh, this is so scary already. Oh, didn't mean to do that. The room. Alright, let's go. Stay there until he goes behind the van. And then I just kind of like walk all the way around the other side of the van. And he'll probably like go around the other way. I'll pick up the map, get in the van. Oh, this is really weird. I don't like this. Oh, he's opened the doors. What's he doing? Move. I'm losing grip on the rope. Please go away. Please go that way. More that way. If he can climb this rope. Oh. He's just staring at me. Oh, now he's walking away. He's like, I can't be bothered to climb and get you. Get it? Sweet, I've got a map. Oh, you can now go on the route you can choose next stop. Finally, after, how long have I been recording now? 10 minutes. Some of this is going to be cut out because I'm not even talking. But still, about 10 minutes and 25 seconds I have been recording to get into this bit. And now, we can go somewhere else. Let's go here. The cafeteria. See if we can do anything there. I don't like. Okay. Oh, my poor... I can access hints, okay. Alright. Is there anything I can do in here? Let's open the door. He's not there. Can I go in? Fuck. Can't access from that side. He's somewhere. Where is he? I'm stuck. Ah! No! No! Don't get me! 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 No! You can't have me! You can't have me! No! No! Oh no! You've been captured! Fuck! 2 more attempts! I'm shit at horror games. I'm in a fridge! Why am I in a fridge? Right. Okay. Here you go. Can't be opened. Oh, is there something I can pick up? Is there something I can do? Is there anything in here? No. There's a mop. I can't use a mop. It's a cage. Oh! Tool drawer thing. Alright, let's see what's in here. Close that. And...
Going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chump fluffy ones. I'm going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
he's like right there. He's gonna come in here and just freeze me automatically. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Oh, what's that? Cables. These cables should be joined to open the door. I need something to join them together then. I'm fucking terrified. This video is gonna get demonetized with that swearing, but I don't care. I am fucking terrified. I am so bad at this. Oh, I can get up here. Is there anything in there? My screen brightness is like really low. Okay, close that again.
Is anybody watching?
Can I get in that one? No, not that one. The one above it. Is there more? Can I get another drawer? There's gotta be something. I don't know. What am I supposed to do? I'm using a hint. Join wires. Somehow. Yeah. What? I don't know. Fucking. Ah! Wrong button. Suppose I gotta be fucking duct tape or something stupid, innit? Oh! That's a door. Damn it, it's locked. Fuck.
Is anybody watching?
Oh, shut up. Can't do anything. I might have to, like, watch a minute for a hint. So I shall return. Oh, never mind. Connect the wires. Okay, yeah. Choose location on the map. I have duct tape. So I need duct tape. Or that. Okay, so I need to somehow... I think I need it from another location. Alright, I need to... I'm gonna try and get on this table. Can I get on the table? Hey, I'm on the table. Alright, can I get anything from up here? Oh, there's a hint. Is there a hint? What? I don't know! I told you guys I was shit at these. What the fuck? Oh, I see him in the window! Can I break the window? I'm actually stumped, I don't know, so I might have to come back after I've gone to a hint. I don't know how to do this. This is... Okay, so I need to go to that location on the map. I don't think I'm at that location. Is there a map in here? Anywhere? So that door's locked. Oh, stop it. Get out of the way.
Anybody looking?
Ha! 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 Yes! Oh my god, it wasn't the place I was looking. Okay, so we gotta go here. Sick. So, we can now... No! I just got out of it! Go away. Oh, there's no... Fuck! I'm not impressed. I've got 1 life left. Okay, at least I know how it's done now. Okay, so open that. Is he taking it off again? Has he done it again? Oh no, it's still connected. Alright, let's just have a look outside. He's right there. So... What? It can't be open from here now. Oh, you're joking. How am I supposed to do it now? Okay, it's still fine, though. They're fine. But I gotta get the fucking tape and do it again. No, the tape's not even in there now. Oh, right. Oh, football. There's a rugby ball, even. I can just... Can I knock him out? Or what can I do?
What is that?
Ah! That was creepy as fuck! Don't get me.
I don't wanna. I'm getting back in my fridge. My fridge is my safe place. I'm getting back in my fridge.
I'm staying here. No one can get me in my fridge. Calm down. Okay, I can climb away. Ah! No! Ah, let me in. Fuck. Different location. Oh, I can't. Where are you? I don't like it. Ah. I'm going to a different location. Heart is racing. Oh my god. I'm scared. Guys, I'm such a wimp. Like, not even kidding. Does it even charge anymore? It isn't. My phone's got enough battery. Oh, my poor friend! No, Billy! I don't know what his name is, but Billy! He's no Billy. Alright, so we are at the playground. What am I supposed to do here? He's over there. Oh, fuck, he's over there. Oh, fuck. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Alright, I need to... No, that's making too much noise. Ah, I'm scared! Oh, a hint. Okay. To activate the crane, you will need to find the correct combination. Okay, so I need to find a way to activate the crane. Oh, his little song. His little song is so creepy. And I'm running out of time on my camera already. I've got like 5 minutes of recording time left. Should have probably made some space first. But oh well. Oh, God. If I get captured, this is literally going to be the end of the video. But if my face cam is gone, I'll just stick to the recording on the device. Okay, I can go in here. Oh, it's a hiding spot. Okay, I've got a hiding spot. Fuck. Ah! No! Fuck, my controls! I didn't save him. Can I even do anything? Well, I'm out of lives. Oh, I must have one more, like, attempt. Oh, he's boarded up the window. Oh, fuck. So he's done that. Oh, can I interact with this? Line can't be opened from here. What? I need something for that. I don't know. I think this is me done now, kind of, because... Shit! Can I do anything with the ball again? What's that? Is that brush broken glass? Okay, we'll just get the rugby ball again. Can I just... That laugh, Jesus. No, I can't do that. Yeah, I think I'm screwed.
Is anybody watching?
I don't know. Is someone watching? Oh my god, there's a ladybug on my tripod. Why is there a ladybug on my tripod? That's more scary. Ah, there's a ladybug on my tripod. Why? Why? Get off my tripod. Get off of my tripod. Go away! Ew! The ladybug. Where's it gone? Oh my god, it's calling. It's on the back of my phone. It's on the back. Okay, so I've had to restart the recording because I freaked out about a fucking ladybug, and then my phone just kind of, like, the phone I'm using just decided to stop playing. But I do think I'm screwed. So can't do anything. Yeah, I'm fucked. Oh. Crowbar! Oh, yes, babe. Get on the nail. And on that nail. I don't have much time left of recording anyway. Didn't realise he was there. I have 2 minutes of recording left. Fuck. I'm gonna have to wait till he, like, walks a bit more. Ooh. Okay. Get the nail. Okay, go out the window. Go out the window. Interact with the window. Go. I have defense. You cannot attack me. Sir. Please don't attack me, please. Oh. Oh, God. I think I'm giving up with this game. Oh, I didn't realize. That was a hiding place there. I should have stayed in it. Ah. I want to go around it. Oh, there was no gap there from last time. Why is there a ladybug in my living room? It's right there. It's annoying. And I've died. Rod Sullivan. The recipe for happiness is within everyone's reach. Oh, fuck. My poor friend. And I'm frozen in the fridge. Game over. It was a good game. I'm just a wuss when it comes to horror games. No matter how little they are, how massively scary they are, I am just the biggest wuss, no matter what. It took me a very long time to watch a bunch of horror films. But I did enjoy this game. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want me to play it again, and I'll actually play it properly this time, just leave it in the comments down below. Like, subscribe if you haven't already. And I shall see you in the next one. Farewell.